Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota Today, and welcome to another edition of This Is How You Make It with John David Berdahl. Good morning.
Already?
Hey. I know.
Wow, we have to work on art now? Oh, shoot.
Well, Sophia and I are ready, so
Yes.
what are we making today?
Good. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the difference between acrylic paint, and that's what you've got over here.
Ooh,
acrylic paint, go ahead, and watercolor paint. Okay?
So
And
this
there
is
are
watercolor?
Yes, this is
Okay,
watercolor.
gotcha.
This is acrylic.
Which
Although, let's throw them up in the air and see if
they
we can tell
look
the
the
difference.
same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very similar.
All right.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
how are we going to start this off
Great.
today?
And so the project itself is we're going to be making fish.
Okay.
We're going to be making fish this Wednesday. How's everyone doing, too? Is everyone
You
doing
know,
all right?
Doing good.
We're doing good. I've got a
It
pretty
seems
good
like
fish face.
That's good.
That's amazing. Let me
really
take a
good.
photo. Let me.
So, how are we
So,
creating our fish?
Yes, so our fish, we're going to take these pieces of paper, and this is watercolor paper, okay, right here. One of the big differences between watercolor and acrylic is that acrylic can go on anything. Watercolor
Okay.
probably ought to be on watercolor paper or porous
Okay.
sort of paper to
Gotcha.
absorb, soak up some of that water, okay? And so, yeah, what we're going to do is take our hands and basically just follow this. Ooh, I'm drawing around the hand here.
Okay.
And he's going sideways like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, and I'll bring it up. Here we go.
All
I
right.
just drew the hand right there.
Okay.
Boop.
So we'll
Boop.
just copy you.
Yeah, and then just around like that, and then I completed it.
Do you
Like
want
so.
your fingers separated? Does it matter?
Well, I suppose it, it just kind of looks like fins and fun,
Ooh.
And then you
Fun.
can, yes, exactly.
And I think that, the great thing about having you come on and show us these projects is for, the parents, grandparents, caretakers at home. These are some really great ideas to try with the kiddos.
Absolutely. So there's my fish.
Oh,
There's
I
my
love
fish.
that
There's my
fish.
fish. There's my fish. I'll hold it
Okay,
right there.
I have
I'll
my
hold it nice and still. So that's the quick fish that I
done.
just made.
cute.
Okay.
Here's my hand. Looks a
that's
little
great.
different.
Yeah,
Well,
just a little different. And so I rounded the end there just to make the sort of face.
Okay.
I'll set this down so you two can see it for a moment. And then one of the other big differences between acrylic and watercolor is that acrylic, did you?
I rounded it now.
That's great. Here,
I
now you just have
fixed
to
it.
put a little smile, a little eye.
A little smile.
there, yeah.
We'll get that right there.
Sure.
Here will be my eye.
And I'll just watch the screen
My
over there.
little
I'm watching
smile.
you. Yeah, and so when acrylic dries, it can't really be reactivated with water.
Ooh,
Whereas
okay.
watercolor, when that dries, you can take some water and start to paint with it again.
Okay.
Okay, and so also, can you guess why I chose crayons today?
Because we won't see it under the paint?
Oh, wait.
With the acrylic, because it goes over everything.
Ooh.
But the watercolor, it stops it, right?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
thank you.
Look
Ding,
at
ding, ding.
you.
Next question, right? What does a spider's bride wear?
Well, you stumped me there.
Okay, a webbing dress.
That's funny.
Well, that's pretty good.
Love it.
So yes, now we can get out our paints. These may have, let's try orange.
Okay.
Okay, this is the watercolor. There we go. It may have a little, little cap or a little film right there, so I'll take that off for you. There you go. There. And so with this, it may be a good idea to wet certain areas first,
Okay.
Like making this orange the face.
So just with our paintbrush
Yeah.
and a little water,
And
just
these
kind
are
of.
watercolor brushes too.
Okay.
And there's a difference between those as well. So those are going to hold a little more water.
Gotcha.
Whereas acrylic brushes, and it's often the difference between like natural and synthetic sort of brushes.
Yeah.
And so yeah, wetting it first. Then you can bring in some orange. There, so there's some orange for you.
Awesome.
And
Okay,
then
I'll
you-
try
oh,
that.
you're already ahead of me. That's great.
But I don't need water for my paints.
No, you
Correct.
do not. No, you do not. They go on
Right.
really, really thick or thin. You could dilute them with water, and they may behave a little bit like watercolors. And again, that's one of the big differences there is that with watercolor, you have to layer it.
Yep.
Ooh.
Okay? It's not going to go on very opaque. I mean, that's pretty, I'll wait for you to hold it up in a moment.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's going on very, very opaque.
Yes,
and
it
so she
is.
just took the paint right out of the tube and started painting, her fish.
Yeah, and we are going to keep painting throughout the commercial break, but don't worry, we'll be right back with a little progress update after the short break.